Achieving a top position in YouTube's 24-hour ranking system requires a strategic approach and engagement with your audience. To increase your chances, focus on these key elements. Optimize metadata. Craft compelling titles, descriptions, and tags using relevant keywords to enhance discoverability. Quality content. Create engaging, high-quality videos that captivate and retain viewers. Pay attention to production values, storytelling, and overall entertainment value. Consistent upload schedule. Regularly post content to keep your audience engaged and signal to YouTube's algorithm that your channel is active. Leverage thumbnails and titles. Design eye-catching thumbnails and compelling titles that encourage clicks and intrigue viewers. Community engagement. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and foster a sense of community to increase interaction on your channel. Promote on social media. Share your videos across various social platforms to drive additional traffic and boost views. Utilize trends. Keep an eye on current trends and create content that aligns with popular topics to capitalize on existing interest. Remember, YouTube's algorithm considers watch time, engagement, and relevance, so focusing on these aspects will enhance your chances of securing a top position in the 24-hour ranking system. Learn how to get in the first, second, third, and fourth position on Google Ads and YouTube. Go to www.success25.com. Hit the subscription button for more strategies.